You are going to love the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.